Welcome to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel, where learning meets limitless possibilities. Hello, young explorers. Today, we are going to embark on a thrilling adventure as we discover what a habitat is and why it's so important. Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of habitats? Let's get started. A habitat is a special place where plants, animals, and other organisms live. It provides everything they need to survive: food, water, shelter, and even space to grow and reproduce. Just like you have your own home, animals and plants have their own homes called habitats. Habitats can vary greatly, and each one is unique. Some habitats are found on land, while others are in water. Let's explore a few different habitats together. Let's dive into 4 fascinating habitats: the polar habitat, desert habitat, forest habitat, and aquatic habitat. Are you ready? Let's begin. Polar habitat. Our first stop is the polar habitat. This habitat is found in the cold regions near the North and South Poles. It is covered in ice and snow most of the year. Many amazing creatures call this icy place their home, such as polar bears, penguins, and seals. These animals have special adaptations to survive in the freezing temperatures. They have thick fur or blubber to keep them warm and large paws or flippers to help them navigate through the ice. Desert habitat. Now, let's travel to the desert habitat. Deserts are hot and dry places with very little rainfall. They can be found in places like Africa, Australia, and parts of the United States. Despite the extreme conditions, many plants and animals have adapted to survive here. Look out for camels, snakes, and cacti. Camels have humps to store water. Snakes move quickly across the sand, and cacti have thick stems to store water too. Forest habitat. Next, we venture into the forest habitat. Forests are filled with tall trees and lush vegetation. They can be found all around the world. These habitats are home to a wide variety of animals, including bears, deer, birds, and insects. The trees provide shelter and food for many creatures, and the dense canopy above allows only a little sunlight to reach the forest floor. It's like a bustling city of nature. Aquatic habitat. Finally, let's dive into the aquatic habitat. This habitat includes all bodies of water such as oceans, lakes, and rivers. Countless unique creatures live in these watery worlds, from fish, dolphins, and whales, to turtles, coral, and seahorses. The diversity of aquatic life is simply mesmerizing. They have special adaptations like gills to breathe underwater, fins for swimming, and streamlined bodies to move smoothly. Remember, habitats are like homes for plants and animals, and they deserve our care and respect. Let's do our part in preserving these habitats for future generations to enjoy. Until next time, keep exploring and learning about the wonders of nature. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, and we will see you in the next video.